My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. So welcome back, and for any new viewers, welcome. So today I am going to be talking about Careprost. So I don't know if you remember me doing the unboxing. I ordered it from an online pharmacy called Reliable RX. And so yeah, today I am going to be inserting footage of the first time that I used Careprost. Don't mind my red eyes. I just got out of the shower and I got shampoo in my eyes, so my eyes are red. And my hair, this is my natural hair when I don't straighten it, and so I just wanted to hurry up and get this video out before I end up forgetting to do the Careprost video. I wanted to start using it and start getting new eyebrow growth and eyelash growth. And so what Careprost is, it's the generic version of what Latisse is, and I'm sure all of y'all have heard of Latisse. I think Brooke Shields, or I'm not sure who the celebrity spokesperson was, but yeah, Latisse is like $100 here in the United States, and I think even Careprost is like $50. Well, I ordered it from an online pharmacy that is from India, and it's the exact same ingredients as what's in Latisse. I've done the research. I've gone on Latisse's website, looked at the ingredients. This is the exact same stuff. And when I ordered it, it came with a little eyeliner brush. And so in a minute, I'm going to insert some footage and show you how I applied it. Now, one thing I do want to say is I got it as close to my lash line as I could, but I wish I would have gotten it a little bit closer, because they say you really shouldn't get it on your skin very much. And so I probably went a little higher up on my lash line than I should have. But hey, this was my first time applying it in that footage. That was my first time applying it, and so it's going to take practice probably. And it is okay to put on your eyebrows. They say you shouldn't put it on your bottom lash line. I am going to go ahead and let you watch that footage. But even the Careprost that's from here in the United States, it's from the same company as this is. It's by Sun Pharma, I think it says. Yes. So anyway, it was painless. You just barely just put it on your lash line. And what I discovered is that here's the little bottle right here. Here's the little teeny tiny bottle, and what I discovered is that there's a little divot in there. And so what I did is I opened it up and I put one drop in there, and I dunked my little brush in there. I trimmed the brush so that it would be easier for me to use. I just dunked it in there and then just swept it on, dunked it in there, swept it on. It says 1 drop per eye, but I was able to use that one little drop for both my eyes. And then I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and so you'll see that. All right, I don't want to make this video too I just dropped my little cover. I don't want to make this video too long. So that's basically what we're going to be talking about. So I'll let you go ahead and watch that, and then at the end of the video, I'll come back and I'll say goodbye. All right, enjoy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that footage, and yeah, so I inserted some pictures as well as videos, and I'm probably gonna do updates like every month. I think you're supposed to use this for 3 months. You're supposed to see your best results after, I think it's week 14 or 16, but you start seeing results within 2 weeks, they say. So I just did this that footage is from last night, yesterday evening, and so I've only used it that one time. I'll use it again tonight. I'll be using it every night so that when I put it on, just close my eyes and it'll do its job while I'm asleep. So I only ordered 1 bottle, but I probably am going to get online and order like 3 or 4 more bottles, especially because I'm not just using it on my eyelashes, I'm using it on my eyebrows too. So, excuse me, it's probably going to go a little faster than it would be if I was just using it on my eyelashes. Let me see, is there anything I'm forgetting to tell you? So you use it once a day, preferably at night, so that it's doing its work at night while you're sleeping. And there could possibly be some side effects of maybe your skin darkening where you put it, and maybe even under, because when you close your eyes to go to sleep, maybe some of the solution might get on the bottom lash line, I don't know. So there might be some darkening of the skin around the eyes, but to me it's worth it if my eyelashes get thicker and longer and my eyebrows grow and thicken up a little bit, because without eyebrow pencil I virtually have no eyebrows or eyelashes. So this would be worth it, because if my skin does darken a little bit, I always put makeup on anyway, and there's concealer for underneath, so I don't really think that's anything to really deter me from trying it. So like I said, I'll probably see results in like 2 to 3 weeks, and from what I hear, the only thing that's kind of a bummer to me is that, from what I'm hearing from everyone, is that once you stop using the Careprost, your eyelashes and eyebrows, or wherever you put it, gradually goes back to where it was when you started. So that's kind of a bummer. It sounds like you have to continue to use it as long as you want the thickness and fullness and length and stuff. So I don't know how true that is, but that's just what I've heard. I can't really attest to it yet because this is only my first time trying it, so I will let y'all know. But yeah, even if I do have to keep using it repeatedly, I bought this. Okay, so I didn't tell you the price in the intro, did I? So like I said, it's like $100 for Latisse. It's like $50 if you buy Careprost here in the US. I think it was $12. If I'm wrong, I'll put a little correction here and tell you the amount. On Reliable RX, so much cheaper. So it was either $12 or $16, I don't know, somewhere between there. But either way, that's a lot cheaper than $50 here in the US and $100 for Latisse. So yeah, awesome. So I'm going to keep y'all updated, but I wanted to let you know because I know that a lot of y'all have been asking me to start using it. So even though I don't have any results, any updated results, pictures to show you, I thought I would let you know that I've started, and I will, if I start to see results in 2 weeks, I'm going to take video and pictures, and I'm going to include all of that at the end of my updated video, which will probably be in, I think I'm going to wait the full 3 months to do the next video, but I'll be videoing and taking pictures every week. But I'm not going to upload something about it every week. So you'll see the final results like in, I don't know, 3 months maybe. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that I've started, and maybe you'll start seeing differences when I do my makeup tutorials, because I always start my makeup tutorials with no eyebrows or mascara. So maybe you'll start seeing that my eyebrows and eyelashes are thickening and stuff. I hope so anyway. Alrighty guys, so that's all I've got. I'm gonna hurry up and edit this and get this to y'all to watch. And yeah, alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.